Hi guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, it means that you're serious about setting your goals and achieving them. Although the year has started, it's not too late to set your goals, so keep watching for a step-by-step guide to make the most out of 2022. So let's begin. You're going to need a notepad and we're going to start by recapping 2021. Break your year into categories. It doesn't matter how much you choose, but try and cover as many areas as possible. I have chosen health and fitness, work, lifestyle, spiritual and well-being, experiences, financial, achievements, and intellectual. We're going to rate each section out of 10 and write down what kind of things we want to improve on, and you can also use this section to write down things that you're proud of. I decided to focus on the things that I wanted to improve on. So for example, in health and fitness, I rated myself 3 out of 10. I know it's really low, but I really didn't try last year. I was eating a lot of junk, I didn't work out, and I really didn't look after my body. So this year, I really want to make sure that that is not the same. So I've written down to eat more healthy foods, work out, take vitamins, and listen to my body. On a new page, we're going to plan for 2022, and we're going to start by doing a goal wheel. So draw a circle and divide it into as many categories as you want. I've chosen to do 5. The categories I've chosen are health and fitness, career and YouTube, finance, lifestyle, spirituality, and well-being. For each section, you're going to bullet point the goals that you want to achieve this year. The next step is crucial for making our goals achievable. Without this, it's really easy to lose track of them and we'll end up in the same place next year. So what we're going to do is break our goals down into quarterly sections. This will make it easier for us to measure our goals and set a time frame for when we expect each one to be completed by. The first quarter is January to March, the second quarter is April to June, the third quarter is July to September, and the fourth quarter is October to December. Now it's time to break down our goals into achievable chunks. For example, one of my goals is to lose 10 kilograms. So I divided that by 4, which works out to 2.5. So I know that in each quarter, that is my target. As you can see, I'm doing the same for my other goals. I'm also trying not to put too much pressure on myself by giving myself small and manageable tasks throughout the quarters. Another goal I want to do this year is read more. That includes reading in general and reading the Bible. I've decided to keep it really simple, so in the first quarter, I've decided to keep it at reading a verse a day and reading 2 books, which means I have 3 months to complete those 2 things. By the second quarter, I should have developed a routine, so my aim is to lose a further 2.5 kilograms, which would make it 5 kilograms in total, and I should be used to reading a verse a day, which means I'd be more likely to read a chapter. Finally, we're going to break down our goals one more time into the main quarters. So you would only have to do this 4 times a year, and we're obviously going to start with quarter 1. For this section, you'll need to divide your goals into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks that you can do in order to achieve everything that you want. For example, in order for me to save £10,000 this year, I need to save £833 per month. You can use this section to plan your weeks or days in order for you to stay on target. If you're a visual person like me, you'll want to create a vision board as well. This should capture everything that you want to achieve, and it will also act as a motivational source to keep you inspired throughout the year. I designed my vision board on Canva, which is a free web tool that you can use to design pretty much anything. They have a lot of templates, and I believe I typed in 2022 vision board in order to get my template. I didn't like the text, so I simply deleted it, and I went to Pinterest to find some inspiration for my vision board. I typed in things like London apartments, travel, black luxury, all the things that I want to kind of envision for my year. Once you have all the pictures that you want, just go back to Canva and upload them. You can then drag them onto the pictures on the template and they will simply replace them. You can play around with the layout and add text or whatever else you want, and you should end up with something like this. I really hope that you found this video useful, and I can't wait for you to achieve your goals this year. Thanks for watching and have an amazing 2022.